Now that we're learning seasonal fruits and veggies, I have another one-size-fits-all for you. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, I have lobya for you. Lobya. Lobya is bean, green bean, kidney bean, or any bean for that matter. Now, let's take a look at some phrases, simple phrases, and some fun or maybe not so simple sentences. Let's see. To cook beans, lobya pişirmek. Pişirmek is literally to cook. Təzə yaşıl lobya, təzə fresh. Yaşıl is a color, green. Bankada qırmızı lobya or konservləşdirilmiş qırmızı lobya. Qırmızı lobya is just, we go by color basically. Kidney beans, qırmızı lobya. Now, canned, banka is a jar. It's a loan word. Bankada in the jar, in the can basically. Konservləşdirilmiş, conserve, also loan word, canned. Now, let's see some sentences. Təzə lobya mövsümünün nə vaxt başlayacağı ilə bağlı kənd təsərrüfatı mütəxəssislərinin fikirləri fərqlidir. A bit tough, but let's see. Agricultural experts have different opinions regarding when the fresh bean season will exactly start. Kənd təsərrüfatı, agriculture, kənd təsərrüfatı mütəxəssislərinin, agricultural experts. That's the part. Mütəxəssis is expert. It's a loan word probably from Arabic or Persian. I'm not sure about that. But if you are having a hard time, which is highly likely you will have a hard time with this word, you can simply say expert. Or here, kənd təsərrüfatı expertlərinin. Everybody will know what you're saying, basically. But officially, in the language, mütəxəssis is the word that you will see. Now, təzə lobya mövsümünün nə vaxt başlayacağı ilə bağlı. When the fresh bean season will start. Regarding. İlə bağlı, regarding. Nə vaxt başlayacağı. When will start. Təzə lobya mövsümü, fresh bean season. Fikirləri fərqlidir. Have different opinions. Fərq, difference. Fərqli, different. Fərqlidir, is different. Fikir, idea, opinion. Fikirlər, ideas, opinion. Fikirləri, their, basically, ideas, opinions. Let's see another fun sentence. Lobyaya bax, paxlanı gör. This is more like a proverb or saying. Let's see why. Look at the bean, see the broad bean or pod, basically. Paxla is a pod, more accurate translation. It's basically like father, like son. Look at the bean, see the pod. Lobyaya bax, paxlanı gör. Now, that was my way of using lobya. I have another fun way of using lobya. Let's see that. I'm not indecisive. I just need a minute to choose my favorite lobya. All right. That was the word for today. I also have Master Azerbaijani app and masterazerbaijani.com if you are interested in learning more about Azerbaijani. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.